Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I am co-hosting the Farmhouse Style Your Space, and my creation, I'm going to recreate Magnolia Home by Joanna Gaines. So what I'm going to show you, I will decorate my table in elegant rustic farmhouse, and I'm giving you a tour of my dining room. So to all the farmhouse lovers over there, please let me know if I nailed it or failed it with this creation. Alright, before we started, I would like you to know the host for today is Nita of Anuu Lifestyle TV. So please, after you watch my video, go over to her channel and tell her I sent you. Guys, before I start decorating, I would like to introduce Nita of Anuu Lifestyle TV's channel. So everyone, this is her first hosting of an open collaboration. As you can see, she has a beautiful home. She is a lifestyle vlogger, personal trainer, and esthetician. Here, I already have my buffalo chick blood runner and placemat. I will be using this charger from Hobby Lobby. And the plates came from Home Goods. It is a white plate. And it's very sleek. You can use this as a modern farmhouse or any elegant tablescape. Napkin from Magnolia Home by Joanna Gaines. My napkin ring came from Hobby Lobby, so I will placing this in my four-seaters. Here, same thing, it is napkin from Magnolia Homes, and my napkin ring also from Magnolia Homes. This will be in my head of the table. This charger plate on my head of the table, it's also from Magnolia Homes by Joanna Gaines. Last year, I was really inspired about her tablescape for farmhouse. So I bought this item last year at Target, and I believe they still have this. My centerpiece came from Home Goods, and I'm using my granary again. I have this for 3 years now. Then, I will put my place card came from Hobby Lobby. Wooden silverware from at home. I use this many times in my rustic tablescape. Wine glass from Dollar Store. And my thrifted glass from Goodwill. Welcome to my elegant, rustic dining room tour, and I hope you enjoy.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Here guys, I made a table setting in our bar area. So Steve and I, this is our eating place. We hardly use our dining room. So let's start from my dinner plate came from Joanna Gaines. My charger from Pure One. My silverware from Joanna Gaines. My placemat came from Big Lots and my wine glasses came from Dollar Store. Napkin came from Home Goods. Here I DIY this base 3 years ago, and again guys, flowers from Magnolia Homes. And here is the granary that I cut outside my backyard. Isn't so pretty? So everyone, you don't need to spend money just to do your centerpiece. If you have a lot of leaves outside, just cut it off and style it. Exactly what I did here. The sign came from Dollar General 3 years ago, and I made an arrangement at the top of my cabinet. That one is a vase, and I put Joanna Gaines greenery as well. Here, this cute vignette. I style it very simple, and of course, I love my roaster over here. It said welcome. And when it comes to our kitchen, I'm the boss of the kitchen. Steve is doing the cleaning and I do all the cooking. Here in my coffee station, again, it was simple but looks elegant. The sign for coffee, I bought that from Home Goods 2 years ago. My third tree from Home Goods last year, and same thing with this sign right here. My mugs came from Hobby Lobby and my canister from Home Goods. And here is the backdrop view from our kitchen.
Running through the crowd on a busy street. Need to find some air in the summer heat. So how about the music, like a whisper from the sea? And a little
Everyone, what do you think about this tablescape? Did I nail it or failed it? Please leave a comments down below. I would like to know because this is very fun for me to do. At the same time, it's very challenging. Here guys, again, the scenery outside. I always like to show this in my video. It's like a change to me. So I'm giving you a 3 looks of my tablescape. One when the lights are off and the other one the lights are on. So let me know what you think guys. Do you like those 3 looks with daytime view, nighttime view? Please let me know. And here is the nighttime view with the lights are on.
So how about the music, like a whisper from the sea, and a little slow dancing with me, slow dancing with me.
To all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for always watching my videos and leave me a comments all the time. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. This napkin right here is the galvanized napkin from Joanna Gaines, and I decorate it like that because I would like to get the same settings of my centerpiece. As you can see, the color is gray and gold. This table setting is set up to have a dinner with our family. That's why I put our name tag there. And how about this centerpiece? Do you like it or not? For me, I like it because it's so unique. What do you think? And here is Steve's mom's chair where she used to sit.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
And here is the view with the lights are off in our dining. And as you can see, the centerpiece really brings a coziness in this table setting.
Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting a picture.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments. You can follow me in Instagram at Glamour Ellen. Same thing with my Facebook, it is Glamour Ellen. Everyone, please don't forget to stop by at Nita's channel of Anuu Lifestyle TV. And please support her in her first collaboration. And to all the participants of this collaboration, I would like to extend to say thank you guys so much for participating in our collaboration. And I hope you enjoy and get some inspiration with our creation. And guys, before I forget, please don't forget to check the playlist and all of the participants of this collaboration. You will get some inspiration over there when it comes to farmhouse and anything farmhouse style. It will be in the playlist. So please check it out. And I'm sure you will not be disappointed about everyone's creation. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.